Viewers update to eneka H2 Vyoto appointed as a new DPDB chairman Dimapur. So Shri H2 Vyoto tai Dimapur the new chairman declare kurshe or the appoint hushe. Update to eneka the monthly district planning and development board meeting of Dimapur was held on July 22 in the conference hall of DC Dimapur. So itu monthly district planning and development board ase tahana meeting conduct kurshe July 22 te Dimapur te hoise etu conference hall Dimapur DC la to tate ki hoise koile new chairmanship of H2 the IME advisor tribal affair and election inform a DIPR report. Initiating the meeting, DC Dimapur and Vice Chairman DPDB Dimapur Dr. Tinojong Shi Chang welcomed the new chairman DPDB Dimapur while expressing the optimism that the district would progress under his leadership. DC Dimapur also expressed his gratitude to all the officers and their subordinate for giving their best service during the ULB election. While welcoming the member, the new DPDB chairman of Dimapur district, Tovioto, also thanks the government of Nagaland for appointing him as the chairman of the district. He acknowledged the effort of the previous chairman and all the member of their contribution toward growth and welfare of the district. This is the first update apne short par jane devo pare ase. Second update to enika ase Nagaland te job seeker khan bishi problem face kore ase 71,000 job seeker tahan itu problem face kurato ase eneka ase. Nagaland is facing a critical employment challenge with a total of 71,322 job seekers registered as March 31, 2024. Revealed that Mionon Jamil, the State Chief Information Commissioner, he shared these concerning statistics during the inauguration of Nagaland Power Solution and Machineries, the authorized dealer of Honda India Power Product Limited in Kohima on Wednesday. So, type pore na koshe itu commissioner chief commissioner pura information commissioner pura na ko ase ki Nagaland to 71,000 plus job seeker khan register kurina ase March 31 te itu report to bishek ta shocking report ase aro ek sal te manu kiman graduate hoy aro ek sal te manu khan job to kiman bisare aro job seeker to bishi ase holbi job pa khan bishi komti ase itu ekta apni update janai di ase. Highlighting the limited job opportunities in government sector, the CIPA appointed out the Nagaland Public Service Commission NPSC recommended only 347 candidates in 2022 and 292 in 2023, averaging just over 300 recruitment annually. Annually the 300 maximum 300 noile 293 noile 347 candidate khani ase holi itu post khan man limited post karni itu exam to conduct korna itu exam to conduct kore ase gune to apne short update janai ase itu ekta employment la ami khan la Nagaland la state line condition itu ase.